Hi, I'm Gunika Arya,
And I'm Meher Pannu.
and both of us are currently in our third year studying BA Liberal Arts and Humanities at Jindal School of Liberal Arts and Humanities. So I basically chose to study at Jindal because of the interdisciplinary curriculum that we have over here. I could choose visual arts along with subjects like philosophy, psychology, sociology, and I could choose to integrate all of it in my thesis, and I don't have to stick to one subject and basically study only one thing.
So it's similar for me. I've been wanting to study art for a really long time, and I think Jindal helped me integrate art with other courses like sociology and literature. So, which is why I chose to study at Jindal. So in our first 3 semesters, we had compulsory courses as part of our liberal arts curriculum. So we had subjects ranging from like statistics, economics, literature, psychology, history. And I think that really helped us figure out what we wanted to study and helped us ruling out subjects that we didn't like. And then we eventually had to declare our major. And then the next 3 semesters, we've been working on our major.
For me, it was basically having to do an academic degree, writing research papers and doing research as part of our liberal arts course, but then also integrating it with our art practice, which is seen as a very practical based course. And so I discovered the option of doing an artistic research, and everything just kind of seemed to fit right into place, and academic and practical came together for me. The faculty here have been incredibly helpful in choosing visual arts as our major, for internships, even to decide on what courses to choose.
I think we see them more as like mentors than as just professors. Like we learn a lot from them, like not just within the classroom, but also outside the classroom. And they're all practicing artists, so we learn a lot from their practices as well, which I think is quite important in like a course like fine arts.
At our university, we have the offices of career services that helps the students here to get internships. And specifically in visual arts, I worked with FICA, and I got to see how the art production for an exhibition or any kind of artwork goes, what happens at the back end of things. And
together we also worked for the Serendipity Arts Festival, and we spent about 2 weeks volunteering with them, which I think was like an incredible experience, and it really showed us how a large scale art festival works. And so we were involved in art production.
I think the course is very reading intensive, and it also, you don't have to have that skills from before. You slowly kind of develop it and learn to grow to like reading. And having an academic course, even if you are doing a BFA course here, is a skill that I think would be helpful to everyone in their fields.